ANTFI Technical Guide: How to change G3 pager batteries. The ECO G3 pager uses standard 850 mAh AAA rechargeable batteries. We have here a new battery, a G3 pager, and you need a screwdriver. Place the new battery aside. Turn to the back of the pager. Remove the following two screws. So let's start to remove both the screws. Once the screw is taken out, you can remove the battery cover. Take out the pager and remove the old batteries. And replace it with the new batteries. Pick up the battery cover and ensure that the waterproofing rubber is still in place. And cover it back. Then start to screw the cover back. Now the battery has been replaced and the pager is back to normal. For more information, please reach out to us at 67482297 or visit our website at www.antfi.com.